We just want to thank all of you that have helped already, the thousands of families that have impacted by the freeze that just occurred here throughout the state. It's really a tragedy for all of these families. Just recently I was in the city of Porterville with several hundred farm workers, and hearing each of them talk about the impact that this has had on them and their families, it makes you come to tears when you listen to the stories of the women talking about how they don't have enough food to provide to their children. They don't have the money to pay for their rents. They can't pay their mortgages on their homes. They're being threatened with the loss of their homes. And this is all they've worked for. So that we're extremely thankful. We need your help for a long time to come. It's going to be several months that these families are going to be out of work and not having anywhere to go except to us. We thank each of you for all that you've done. Please stay in tune with our website to see exactly how you can be of help in this tragic, tragic situation for farm workers and for their families and for the communities that they live in. But we always must remember that we have a lot of hope, we have a lot of faith, and we have a lot of belief, not only in you, but the farm workers and their families, that they're going to continue doing whatever is necessary to ensure a safe food supply for all of us, to ensure that we get what we need as consumers, but also we need to ensure that they get for all the hard work that they do every single day for each of us and our families. Thank you very much, and si se puede.